south, we keep pushing north. In Connie target. Fucking ignore targets, it's just fucking reses. Let's just spread a bit. Spread a bit. Go on the dwarf. Wait for these guys to come back into... okay. Push east now. Lyric. We're getting interrupted in the tick.
Getting big messes out.
Britain next.
Almost.
Cross stuff after.
Heal erupted in the back.
Dwarf next, yeah, keep erupting him. We'll go in the healer then, Avalonian. Connie. Is there a relic somewhere? I think is a friend. Okay, yeah, we'll jump on the troll. Alright, Highlander's staying close, see if we can blow him up in sauce. Okay, we push south. Go to the pit.
Britain most.
Yeah, let me take it. Oh.
Oh, sorry, Britain then.
Base decks again, please. I remove it. It was somehow red.
Heal Marco. Follow streak to our west. We'll just go flying in, straight on the... they've got the relic. Okay, I'm going to stun the guy. And then stare him, and then we'll go close on the troll. Yeah. Then we push
Highlander
him.
most.
Yeah, good, cool. Highlander.
Oh, aye.
It's fine. Fucking
Full group coming north.
Yeah. Don't push too hard, we'll let them come. Get some streams up. Kill the Highlander. But fucking, we're gonna have to clear some mobs on the way. We'll get whatever.
Big mess out on
right hand side, Lurking. Okay, Britain. Okay, we push. Keep pushing. Try and catch the Avalonian, the cleric. No, and Connie then. Push.
Erupting cleric.
Yeah, we can catch him. Catch Avalonian, left hand side. Okay, pushing. Frost Elf.
Deep mezzing.
Okay, pushing, looking. Dwarf. Just clean up. Yeah.
Full group north.
Yeah. We'll get whoever comes in first, or the Dreadlich, or just the... Okay, we'll take the left-hand side,
Get mezzes out.
Brisson on the left. Oh, fucking deselect. I'm looking far northwest.
Mezzing Britain.
We'll go close then, Britain, on our east.
I got a pet on me.
Looking. Had foot clearing. And then next will be the Dreadlich if it's in range. No, that's it. It's up back there. We'll kill the Dreadlich. It's in our east.
Mezzing troll.
I need a near side Kurikan. Close then, Highlander. It's debuffed.
I need to mess.
Committing.
Next highlight, Britain, sorry.
Committing.
We got Ink, Kite southeast. Keep
Gonna
going
sauce.
southeast.
Go.
Get rapted by them? Usually just should hit you out. And not
Okay.
York, yeah.
If the Dreadlich's going to come in, because Bone Dancer can't control, we're going to kill it. Okay, we can push back. We're good. Gonna take left-hand side. Lurkeen first target, far left.
Get a Mez's ult.
Okay, we push. Inconu next target. Yeah, see him. We're pushing left. Pushing left. Left-hand side, left-hand
Yeah,
side.
Avalonian is
Avalonian
mocked.
target.
He's mocked.
Yeah, yep. Okay, keep going left, keep going left. We're going Lurkeen. And then we push through on our right-hand side, going northeast, looking troll. And then Lurkeen. So I'm gonna keep pushing east with Streak. Looking right-hand side, Kobold. And then Brisson. They're running off. We keep pushing east. Highlander. Do we still have the... Yeah, Mixie as well.
Yeah, I have it.
There's a fight in our west. We have the points now. I think we just go around finding fights. Yeah, yep. Marco Polo. Yeah.
Southwest. Southwest.
Heading southwest. Go left or right. Oh, just close. Dwarf first. Stay on him. Stay
Mez
on
and
him.
healer. Healer Mez on the
Pushing,
right.
pushing left-hand side. We'll go.
I need the Mez.
Keep
Yeah.
pushing. Keep pushing. We'll go into Avalonian if we can. No, we'll go close target. Brisson.
Commit.
And then Inconu. Careful, we've got more stuff coming in. It's fine. We'll take the right hand side then. They're saucing.
I got a
Okay,
bargain on me.
Barguest. Yep, Barguest target in our backline. And then we're going to turn behind us. We've got some solos. Stay on the Barguest and then the Padfoot. I can just clear pets and then we'll push southeast. Looking at Lurkeen. I think it's a vamp, but fine. Don't die.
Take Druid pet away. Mezin.
Okay, turning back west, looking Dreadlich first. Okay, and then Kobold, which is probably the BD anyway, but whatever. Is immune. We're to look Highlander then, right hand side.
Mezin cleric on the back.
We push. What's moving? Britain, right hand side. And we go Kobold. Britain. Highlander. Yeah.
Yep.
Him, running east. We take the left-hand side. Take left. Can we? Yes, go on that dwarf. Okay, we push in. We push in.
Mezzin, Avalonian.
Incarnu. So we're going to tick. Okay, right hand
Mezzin,
side.
Frost off.
Lurkin.
Healers, Mezzed.
Okay, push. Frost
Mezzin,
out.
Konu.
Right hand side.
Dwarf, Mezzed.
Pushing left hand side. Dwarf.
Mezzin.
Pushing. Yeah, Incarnu. Right in the northeast, just a couple of solos.
Group to the left. Group to the left.
Yep. Come back, come back. Alright, well, you hit him from the side then.
Mezzin, Cabby in the back.
Go troll. We go close. Let's see if the Dreadlich comes in.
Limits.
Okay, troll as Dwarf rather instead. He's overextended, he'll go. Back on the troll. Okay, Dreadlich then. Okay. We hit back, push back, Kobold, Warlock.
Conti, Mezz.
Go back and close, troll.
Another group to the southwest.
Dwarf. Okay, ignore the Incarnu. He's our buddy. So dwarf next. Kobold after him. Ignoring our Incarnu friend for now. Dreadlich. Looking at Saracen west. Okay, looking northeast behind us. Looking north. Looking north. Brisson.
Brilliant, Mezzed.
Britain Mess. Push on to the Incarnu at the back then. Okay, we'll blow up the Brisson.
Conti, Mezzed.
Then we'll go get the Incarnu.
Then we
look,
got group
close.
behind, pushing behind.
Yep. Turning, right. Britain, that's rooted. That'll do. Got interrupted.
Healer, Mezzed.
Stay on the Britain. Yeah. Do you get a bit close? Yeah, sorry. Get a bit closer to the other Britain. I'll debuff and we can... That's here. I'm debuffing him now.
We got a few over the hill.
Dread Guardian. Yeah, Dread Guardian. Pushing southwest.
And then we got quite a lot west.
Pushing west. Okay, ignore the Incarnu. He's still our mate, Dreadlich. Highlander. Pushing west. Dwarf. Pushing west.
I feel bad for Marco, really.
You played with him, then you wouldn't.
Okay, no, I don't know.
I invited him a few times last season into Koth and tried it, but
Kein sympathisch.
He always does his own thing.
Oh, I need all timers.
Endo. Endo.
Yeah, we need an endurance song.